All right. Are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Are the voice and screen clear? Yes. Fine. So we were discussing the story. Okay. How this is related with the second law of thermodynamics. Now that's a very interesting story. Listen to me carefully. See, first law of thermodynamics says only conserve the energy. I don't know anything, conserve the energy. Yes, it is conserved. Now the second law of thermodynamics says that conservation of energy is not only sufficient. There are some other limitations also. Means whether the process is going to happen in given conditions, or in given conditions the process will not happen. Those limitations are there. For example, it is not possible to take out heat from the boiled egg and to convert it into the raw egg. Okay, there are some other conditions also. For example, for a machine which is self-acting, which is not taking any external help, for that machine it is not possible to take out the heat from the low temperature body and give it to the high temperature body. Energy is conserved. First law of thermodynamics is conserved. But this is not possible. There are some other rules which are to be followed, and those rules are hidden in this equation, a small equation. Those rules are hidden in this equation. Now, how these rules are hidden in this equation? There is a story. Now, whether a process is possible under given set of conditions or not, under given set of conditions, whether the process is possible or not, that we have arrived at conclusion. Means, so under given conditions whether the given process will happen or not, त्याचं काहीतरी कंक्लुजन आमच्याकडे आलेलं आहे. ओके, त्याच्यासाठी आमच्याकडे काही डिसिजन्स आहेत, बरंच इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन आम्ही केलेलं आहे. वी हॅव परफॉर्म व्हेरियस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, अँड इन दोज एक्सपेरिमेंट्स the ultimate conclusion which has been given was by one scientist named as a Gibbs. Do you know Gibbs? Have you heard the name of Gibbs? You must have heard. In chemistry it is there, I think. Gibbs free energy change that you need to calculate, and then you will decide whether the process is possible under given set of conditions or it is not possible. Yes, all of you are saying yes, so it means you have already heard the name of the scientist Gibbs. Okay, now that Gibbs is saying that entropy change of the system plus entropy change of the surrounding, it is called as total change in entropy. Write down delta S total. Delta S total means delta S of system plus change in entropy means delta S of surrounding. This value should be positive, in bracket more than zero for process to be spontaneous, means to happen. ती प्रोसेस जर व्हायची असेल म्हणजे to be spontaneous. Or let us say, let us keep it in simple words. Okay, उगाच complicated words आणायला नको आहे, गरज नसताना complications. Should be positive for process to happen, whatever the given conditions are there. Under those given conditions, find out what is the change in entropy of the system, what is the change in entropy of the surrounding, add those two entropies, find out total change in entropy. If this total change in entropy is positive, delta S total change in entropy, this value plus this value comes out to be a positive number, then the process will happen. It is possible, otherwise it is not possible. Is that clear? This is how possibility and impossibility is governed by the entropy. This is how possibility of the process and impossibility of the process governed by the entropy. It is just like this. You should not ask why. असंच आहे. It's a law. की असं जर असेल तर ती प्रोसेस पॉसिबल आहे, असं जर नसेल, if this is not there, the process will not happen. हायर फिजिक्स करा तुम्ही. हायर फिजिक्स केल्यानंतर तुम्ही स्वतः शोधून काढा. तुम्ही जेव्हा नोबेल प्राइज घेत असाल तेव्हा येईन मी घेते. ओके फाईन. इट्स अ लॉ. ओके सो तुम्हाला आता मी हेही शिकवत जाईन हळूहळू, कुठं का म्हणून विचारायचंय, कुठं का म्हणून विचारायचं नाही. कारण आम्हाला काय सांगितलं जाते, प्रत्येक गोष्टीला का म्हणून विचारा. अरे बाळा तो लॉ असेल तर तिथे का म्हणून विचारता येत नाही. वाय एनर्जी इज कॉन्झर्व्ड. इट्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स. यू जस्ट cannot ask it why. It is conserved till date. Yeah, of course Einstein has proved it wrong, that we will see, but up to this chapter first law of thermodynamics is a valid. It is going to be modified. Okay, first law of thermodynamics was modified after Einstein proved it wrong. Einstein no first law of thermodynamics, energy conservation Einstein has proved wrong. Okay, and then it has been modified. That story we will not discuss right now. Okay, that story we will not discuss right now. There are many interesting stories, but we have very less time also. Fine. So I was just telling you that, I was just saying that this is how the entropy change governs the possibility or impossibility, or it is in short in physics or in physics we call it as a spontaneous process or non-spontaneous process, whether the process is possible or impossible. Okay, fine. Now let us discuss somewhat in detail about spontaneity. It's just discussion, you simply have to listen to it. Now entropy is a measure of molecular disorder. Disorder means randomness. Okay sir, fine. Now if you provide heat to the system, that heat will be converted into the internal energy of the system. That will increase the molecular chaos. Of the, or molecular disorder of the system. So entropy will increase, chaos will increase, entropy will increase. So change in entropy will be positive. First line, if you provide heat to the system, okay, then what will happen, that heat will be converted into the internal energy of the system. That will increase the molecular chaos and that will increase the randomness. So delta S will be positive. Delta S of the system will be positive. Yes sir, fine, no issues. Similarly, if you there is some gas, let's say, and if you increase the volume of the gas, again the gas has larger volume to move into. आधी गॅसचा व्हॉल्यूम कमी होता, कंटेनर छोटा होता, तोच गॅसचा कंटेनर मोठा केला. सो इफ यू increase the volume, then again gas gets large amount of space to move into. So again the randomness, molecular chaos increases. Listen to me carefully. Okay, so these are the two things that you should remember. Fine sir, we will remember it. So when the entropy increases, that we now remember. Now entropy change, why it is defined like this? It is very interesting thing to notice that entropy change is defined something like this. Okay, Q upon T, or Q reversible upon T. Heat supplied to the system reversibly. Okay, slowly ती heat द्यायची आहे, एकदम abruptly पण द्यायची नाहीये. Okay, fine. Why it is defined? So that we are going to discuss now. It is very interesting. There is one very interesting example that is generally given by the teachers to the students. Most of the times the example is same. You might have heard of this example before also. Let's say there is one station. Let's say there is one railway station. Okay, and let's say there is one what we can say, library. Let's say there is one library. Okay, so let's say there is one person who sneezes. Okay, or a small amount of noise, this is a person who is a mischievous person. Okay, थोडासा खोडकर आहे हा तुमच्यासारखा. Okay, so same person is on the station and the same person is in the library. Okay, and this person, let's say he sneezes, म्हणजे त्याला शिंक आली. ओके, त्याच्या तोंडातून छोटासा आवाज आला. मग तो छोटासा आवाज, ओके, a small noise. Will that small noise be material, means or what I should use the proper word. तो जो काय छोटासा आवाज हा माणूस करणार आहे, this is a mischievous person, खोडकर माणूस आहे हा. हा काय करायला लागलाय, छोटासा आवाज विनाकारण केयास करायचा, ओके, जाऊन त्रास द्यायचा. त्याचा फरक इथं जास्त पडणार आहे की इथं जास्त पडणार आहे? लायब्ररी और द रेल्वे स्टेशन? लायब्ररी और रेल्वे स्टेशन? simple example घेऊयात. this person calling this person. रेल्वे स्टेशनवर जाऊन त्यानं हाक मारली याला. ऍट द सेम दिस पर्सन कॉलिंग दिस पर्सन. लायब्ररीमध्ये जाऊन त्यानं हाक मारली. कुठं जास्त डिस्टर्बन्स प्रोड्यूस होईल, कुठं जास्त केऑस प्रोड्यूस होईल? Where will be the more chaos produced? Where will be the more entropy change? Entropy change will be more where? इथं पण तेवढ्याच मोठ्याने हाक मारली, इथं पण तेवढ्याच मोठ्याने हाक मारली. Okay, so now you have some sense that, and with that sense all of you are giving the answer, sir. Disturbance, change in entropy, disturbance, chaos, okay, change in chaos, change in disturbance, okay, or in short disturbance will be more in the library, will be more in the library than on the railway station, because on the railway station there is already chaos, because on the railway station there is already chaos. Are you getting this? There is already chaos. तुमचा छोटासा chaos is immaterial, but here there is less chaos. In that less chaos, your chaos will be significant one. Are you getting this? Let's say you produce a chaos of 5. Here also you produce a chaos of 5. Here already there is a chaos of 10,000. In that 10,000, chaos of 5 will not be material. That will be immaterial. Matter करणार नाही तो. But here there is already chaos of 7. And in that 7 chaos you are producing a 5 chaos. That will be the very significant change. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Tell me, are you getting this? Everyone shall reply now, because with that I can prove this, why it is defined like this. If there is already too much chaos, your chaos is immaterial. तुमच्यामुळे काय फारशी एंट्रोपी चेंज होणार नाही. But if there is less chaos, 7 chaos, and in that you are producing a 5 chaos, that is very significant change. Chaos depends on the initial state. Yes, change in chaos. We'll see. Just reply. हे समजतंय की नाही? Just give me a second. There was one chat with some unknown name. Just give me a second. Just a second. You have to join with your real name, okay? Wait for a second. Fine. All right. So what does that mean? It simply means that if the temperature of the system is, let's say, 1000, let's say temperature of the system is 1000, okay, and you add a 5 joule of heat, and you add a 5 joule of heat to the system, and the temperature of the system in the second case is only 10 Kelvin, okay, and you add a 5 joule of heat to the system. Now you people tell me, where will be the more entropy change? where will be the more entropy change? This railway station library example you understand very well. Initial temperature of the system was 10 Kelvin. There you added 5 joule of heat. Will that be significant? Or 1000 Kelvin temperature was there initially and you add 5 joule of heat. कुठं chaos bar जास्त असेल? Where it will be significant? 10 Kelvin system or 1000 Kelvin system? Correct. All of you are giving the correct answer. Sir, here the chaos is less because temperatures are less. Here the initial chaos is less. If that chaos is less, 5 joule of heat will create a significant change in the chaos, significant change in the entropy. So, sir, if the temperatures are less, given amount of heat for lower for less temperatures, if the temperatures are less, given amount of heat can produce more change in entropy, and therefore this temperature is in the denominator and heat is in the numerator. We know if we give the heat, entropy increases, therefore heat is in the numerator. If we give the heat, entropy increases, therefore heat is in the numerator. But why this temperature is in denominator? Because it matters what is the initial temperature. कुठल्या टेम्परेचरला, at what temperature this heat is being supplied, at low temperature or at high temperature. If the heat is being supplied at low temperature, then there will be more change in entropy, and if this heat is being supplied at higher temperature, there will not be significant change in entropy. Are you getting why this temperature is in the denominator? Tell me. Everyone understand why this heat is in the numerator? Because if you give the heat, entropy increases. But why this temperature is in the denominator? It matters at what temperature this heat is being supplied. It matters at what temperature this heat is being supplied. If it is being supplied at low temperatures, more entropy changes will be obtained. It is as good as a library example. And if this heat is being supplied at higher temperatures of the system, then it means that it is as good as a then it is equivalent to the, if the heat is being supplied at higher temperature, it is parallel example with the railway station example. There will not be significant changes in the entropy because there is already chaos. In that, your chaos or the chaos produced by this much heat will not matter. Okay, fine. So shall we move on to the next point now? So the process will continue in that direction. त्या डायरेक्शन मधली प्रोसेस होणार ज्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये entropy of the universe, total means universe, system plus surrounding is called as universe. Okay, total entropy, that is entropy of the universe, that is entropy of system plus surrounding, this addition should be positive. So randomness of the system plus surrounding should come out to be a positive value, total change in entropy, that is entropy change of system plus entropy change of surrounding, if it comes out to be a positive value, then that is a spontaneous process. Otherwise it is a non-spontaneous. Spontaneous means it will happen, it is possible process. Non-spontaneous means it is impossible process. Fine, sir. Next, now let us try to find out entropy change. So write down for solids and liquids, write down the heading for, now we will be just writing the some equations and then we'll be solving the examples. For solids and liquids, let us try to find out the entropy change. Okay, entropy change, त्यातला first point for solid liquids चा first point, entropy change during phase change, फेज चेंज आहे ना बाळ, म्हणजे टेम्परेचर काय असेल, कॉन्स्टंट असेल. फेज चेंज आहे ना, म्हणजे टेम्परेचर कॉन्स्टंट असेल. व्हेरी सिंपल थिंग, डेल्टा एस, you can directly use the formula delta Q upon T. This temperature is not variable. फेज चेंज चालू आहे ना, temperature is constant, so you can use direct formula, no issues. It is equal to ml upon T, where L is the latent heat of fusion or vaporization, depending upon which phase change is happening there. Which phase change is happening there. Is that clear? Entropy change during the phase change. Solid चा liquid होत असेल किंवा liquid चा vapor होत असेल, त्या phase change मध्ये एवढंच. Change in heat is supplied at the constant temperature. So काय काळजी separate करायची गरज नाही, temperature constant आहे. Q is equal to ml. That is the formula. Very simple formula. Next. Now what if, sir, instead of phase change, what if there is temperature change? Very simple thing. Let's find out. Entropy change. Just keep on making the note. Entropy change during temperature change. Temperature change. In that case, phase will remain constant. It will either remain solid as a solid, or liquid as a liquid. This is we are writing only for solids and liquids. For gases, we will write some other laws. Okay. Temperature change means phase will remain constant. Phase will remain constant. Now you will say, sir, use ms delta theta as a formula or ms delta t as a formula for Q. No, you cannot use that directly, ms delta t. This t is a temperature which is variable. So in that case, you cannot directly use that. For that, what you have to do is very simple thing. For that, you will write a very small change in entropy, a very small heat given to the system, and instantaneous temperature. Now this temperature is variable. Okay, sir. Then this dq is equal to ms dt. Yes, instead of writing ms delta t, write ms dt. Okay, sir, no issues. Divided by temperature. Now integrating on both the sides. Integration ds will be equal to integration ms dt upon t, constant out of integration, m constant, s constant, dt will remain as it is. This t is a variable, will remain inside the integration. So this is going to be the initial temperature T1, this is going to be the final temperature T2. Okay, temperature change na, water at 10 degrees Celsius to water at 15 degrees Celsius. Water is a temperature from 10 to 15. What is the entropy change? That formula we are deriving. आता अंश मला सांग, इथं मी डेल्टा एस लिहिलं तर तुला काय अडचण आहे का मी एसच लिहिलं पाहिजे? हा, तुझाच क्वेश्चन होता ना तो, लहानपणी विचारला होतास ना मला. Do you have any problem if I write this ds as delta s? Overall change in entropy, I want to write it as delta s. You may write it as z also. Okay, is equal to this ms constant out of integration. What is integration of dt upon t? Dx upon x integration काय असते बा? Extra point. Integration of dx upon x is log x, is ln x, log x log to the base e. So integration of dt upon t is ln t. Okay. Temperature from T1 to T2. Okay, sir. What is the entropy change now? Delta S, entropy change of when the temperature change is involved. ms constant out of integration as it is. Sir, entropy, for entropy we have used the letter S, and for the specific heat we are again using the letter S. काय करूया आता? Shall I call it as S dash? Entropy is S and specific heat, okay, mass specific heat, joule per Kelvin per kg wali, S dash. ln T, log T2, log upper limit minus lower limit, ln T2 minus ln T1, log M minus log N. So M S dash ln T2 upon T1, log M minus log N, log M upon N. Okay, this is the formula. So write down where delta S is change in entropy. Delta S is change in entropy. M is mass of solid or liquid. S specific heat. Not molar specific heat, mass वाली. Molar specific heat नहीं है, CPCV वाला का नहीं है. CPCV are the concept for gas only. This is the specific heat. MS delta theta वाला तो ऐसा है. Specific heat. Unit काय असेल त्याचं? Joule per Kelvin per kg or joule per degree Celsius per kg or calorie per degree Celsius per kg or Kelvin ग्राम मध्ये पण चालेल. वॉटरची स्पेसिफिक हीट किती? 1 कॅलरी पर ग्राम पर डिग्री सेल्सियस. 1 कॅलरी पर ग्राम per degree Celsius. Water. Different units are there. Fine. T2 final temperature. T1 initial temperature. That's it. This is how you will find out. Entropy change during the temperature change. Phase change चा सोपा आहे. ML लिहायचं. ML upon temperature constant. If the temperature is not constant, use this as ds. dq. dq is ms dt. ms change this s as s dash so that this symbol and this symbol will not overlap. Write it down and let me know in the chat box. Is that clear or not? Write it down. Just a second. Write it down. M S dash ln T2 upon T1. Just reply me CW. Of course, this derivation will not be asked in boards, but let us increase our understanding of the subject. This temperature is variable. We cannot write this as ms delta T. Okay, this temperature is variable, so we have to write it as ds, small change in entropy, small heat supplied, and the instantaneous temperature. And that sense is already with us. So let us use that. मग त्यांनी जो काय फॉर्म्युला काढलाय तो आपण डिराइव्ह करूया ना. Just give me a second. Fine. Okay. So now let us try to write the formulae for gases. Okay, let us try to write down the formulae for gases. Entropy change of a gas. Okay, entropy change of a gas for an ideal gas. So write down the heading as for ideal gas. For ideal gas. For solids and liquids we wrote it. Now let us write for gas. Entropy change for the gas. Let us try to write down the formula. Entropy change for the gas. General formula is there. One general formula is there. Other formula can also be derived as per the need. Write down. For ideal gas or for ideal gases. How to find out entropy change? Okay. Let us first find out very small change in entropy. It will be simply dq upon t. Yes sir, it will be simply dq upon t. Now from the first law of thermodynamics, call this as equation number 2. From the first law of thermodynamics, we can write entropy change dq is equal to, heat dq is equal to delta u plus delta w. Agree, disagree, reply me in the chat box. Q is equal to delta u plus w. Then delta q is equal to delta u plus w. Then dq is equal to du plus dw. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yes sir, very simple thought. Small heat will be utilized to small work done and small change in internal energy. Yes sir. So this dq is equal to du plus dw. Alright sir. Next. Simple thought. Therefore, call this as equation number 2. Just give me a second. Call this as equation number 2. Now putting equation number 2 in equation number 1, what we can do? We can write this ds as, let us replace this dq by du. We are replacing the dq by du plus dw divided by this capital T. Okay, instantaneous temperature. Okay sir, fine. Let us replace this or let us rearrange this du upon t plus dw upon t. Okay sir, this is a very small change in entropy. Okay, but sir, this du is equal to a very small change in internal energy is m s dash dt, ms delta t, na, m s dash delta t. Why we are using s dash? Because already entropy has used the letter s. So for the specific heat, let us use the letter s dash. Okay sir, divided by this t. Okay, plus, all right. What is dw? Sir, it is pdv. What is dw? Chota sa work done, very small work done is pdv. Okay, Advait is saying, sir, it is gas. So you should write NCV delta T. Perfect, you are right. My mistake. Sir, it is a gas. It is a gas. I thought again it has solid. So my mistake. You just rub down this step. Let's write it again. ds is equal to, what I shall write? NCV dt. Yes, you are correct. It's a gas. I should have written NCV delta T. NCV dt. Instead of delta T, it is d now. So I should write here dt. Perfect. Good. Plus P delta V integral. Let me rub this. We know total work done is integral P delta V, means very small work done is P delta V, PdV. Yes sir, it is PdV divided by this capital T. Yes sir, this divided by capital T. Fine. Now what you can do is, now you can integrate on both the sides. So integrating on both the sides, integration of the ds is equal to integration of this plus integration of this, integration of n cv dt upon t plus integration of p dv upon t. Now constants can be taken out of the integration. Number of moles constant, cv of the gas constant, integration dt upon t plus this p delta v plus this P delta V. What is this P delta V? What is this P delta V? Very small amount of work done dW. Very small amount of work done dW. Okay. Now what we can do? For the replacement of P upon T? P also might be variable or constant. We don't know whether the process is isobaric or not. We just don't know. So P might be variable. So we have to find out replacement for P upon T. Okay, so let us for time being write down here P upon T into dV. We'll find out some replacement. Okay sir, call this as equation number 3. Okay, Okay. Now, sir, we know PV is equal to nRT. Just keep on writing along with me. Now, this is total change in entropy. You may call it as delta S. PV is equal to nRT. Sir, P upon T. P upon T. Okay, P upon T. P upon T is equal to this nR upon V. Upon V. So this is equation number 4. Alright. Sir, now you have found out the replacement for P upon T. So now this variable can be eliminated. Yes. So again, delta S, therefore delta S is equal to N CV. What is integration of dx upon x? Log x. Dt upon t? ln t. Let us keep it as it is. For time being, let us keep it as it is. Plus. Sir, P upon T can be replaced by NR upon V. Yes, let us replace it by NR upon V into dV. Okay, let us write initial temperature T1, final temperature T2. Let us write initial volume V1, final volume V2. Okay, fine. This NCV constant out of integration. Dt upon T integration, dx upon x, log x, dt upon T, log T or ln T. Yes, sir. Upper limit T2, lower limit T1, plus sign as it is. Sir, n are constant out of integration. dV upon V. What is integration of dV upon V? ln V. Limits from V1 to V2. Limits from V1 to V2. What is that? N you can take common if you want. I am not taking it common. I want it as it is. NCV ln T2 upon T1, because log m minus log n, log m minus log n, log m upon n, plus nr ln V2 upon V1. Log m minus log n is log m upon n. Hope it is clear to all of you. Write it down and let me know in the chat box. This is a general formula of entropy change. General formula of entropy change for the ideal gas. That's it. A single formula. Other formulae can be derived with the help of this formula itself. Even the proof of this formula is not in the boards. Only this equation is to be remembered. Only that is for the MCQs part of it. MCQ साठी हे equation direct लिहिलं असतं तरी चाललं असतं, no issues. But we have some sense and we have utilized that sense so that we can prove the equation which is directly given by them. तुम्हाला समजलं का ते चेक करा. एंट्रॉपीच्या कॉन्सेप्ट आणि एंट्रॉपी बरोबर मॅथमॅटिकली कसं डील करायचं समजू दे जरा. क्वेश्चन सुटणार आहेत 100% एंट्रॉपीचे सगळे क्वेश्चन सुटतील तुम्हाला, पण करूया ना जरा मॅथमॅटिकली डील त्याला. ऑफकोर्स दिस विल नॉट बी आस्क, बट एकदा मॅथमॅटिकली डील करायला शिकलात की एक अलग लेवलचा कॉन्फिडन्स पण येईल तुमच्याकडे. म्हणजे त्यांनी जे काही फॉर्म्युले दिलेत ते प्रूव्ह करायची कॅपॅसिटी आमच्याकडे असली पाहिजे. Check if it is clear or not. Reply, everyone shall reply now. Just give me a second. Ansh is saying something. Let me read the chat.